Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to activate emoji suggestions on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Now we have to enter languages and input, and let's take a look at this keyboard and inputs options. Let's pick virtual keyboard, and right now we have to enter the keyboard we've got currently applied. In my case it is Gboard, so let's tap on it and tap on text correction. And as you can see here, we've got the option show emoji suggestions. In my case it is active, but if you will have it turned off, if it will look like it, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on it is active, so your device will show you emoji suggestions whilst typing. So actually this is it. This is how to show emoji suggestions in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.